Okay, so now let's talk about another vocabulary in speaking. Okay? Okay, number one, I will going to ask you about Paris and you will going to ask me about Katie. Okay? So, can you please tell me about Paris, your teacher? Okay, so what is Paris teacher's name? Very good. It is Mrs. Lay. And what does she teach? Science. Is she young or old? She's old. Why does she like her? Because she's kind. Okay? So is her car old or new? Okay, very good. Now can you please ask me some question about Katie's favorite teacher? Okay, her teacher's name is Anna. She teaches